Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how we can follow someone on Webull. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on Menu. And click on More. Here you can see Sage Tracker option. You have to click on this. You'll see many profiles here. These are profile of some renowned person. You can click on this heart to follow them. So, this is how you follow someone on Webull.